Pozdrav ljudi, Rupo na saksiji sa vama. Svi mi znamo da su uključenja u program uživo vrlo podložna greškama, jer jednostavno nemate vremena da te greške ispravite. Međutim, postoji jedan čovek koji je toliki maler da je sve ostale kolege bacio u svoju senku. U pitanju je David Nazar, polu čovek, polu pretnja za svaki live nastup. Verovali ili ne, ovaj čovek je i dan danas novinar. Ajmo da pogledamo neke od Davidovih radova koji su mu omogućili da postane besmrtan.
Each day, and again, you'll see me working on this piece a little later on in the freezer and finishing it up. But for example, this weekend we're going to be doing some gargoyles off of the Notre Dame Cathedral. So there'll be some other pieces that are recognizable.
Now, can I take a closer look at this? Because why is this your oh my God! I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Dude, are you serious?
I'm so sorry. It was just an accident. We'll talk to management.
I'm shutting it down. I'm tired of guys like this. I'm out of here.
We'll get this taken care of. Anyway, with a smile on my face, we'll send it back to you, Ed and Ann.
Oh, accidents are going to happen once in a while.
Such a delicate touch David has.
Naravno, svakome može da se desi gaf, pa je David dobio još prilike da se blamira.
I've never met the owner. We have a captain and a crew that takes care of this boat full time.
Can we take a look at some of that?
Absolutely, sure. Take a look through there, and look at this thing over here. Be careful on that cord.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my goodness! Hang on. Here, I'm sorry. Grab his hand. Grab. Sorry. Oh, jeez.
What?
Are you okay? Hang on.
What's wrong with you, man?
Sorry.
Whoa.
Ed and Ann, we'll send it back to you.
What are you doing?
We'll send it back to you.
What are you doing here?
Sorry about that.
Show.
Sorry about that. Sorry
Come
about
on.
that. Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Sorry.
My watches, Dad?
Sorry about that.
I've been trying to clean this boat here. There's a boat show going on here. I don't know what you're doing here, but how about if you take you up to the office, I'll give you some dry clothes.
Sorry about that.
You okay?
Sorry about that.
You didn't hit anything, did you? I mean,
Sad, posle ovakve ispale, samo bi ludak dozvolio našem Davidu da priđe uključenoj kameri. Ali on je ipak nekako dobio priliku da izveštava o barenju Guinnessovog rekorda i priliku da uništi još nečiji san.
And Ed and Ann, as you say, we are here at the Discovery Science Center in Santa Ana, all things science, entertainment, education, technology. The event going on the next 3 weeks here is really unbelievable. No, not unbelievable, unbubbleevable, and we're about to explain why. All these good folks here are getting in a giant-sized bubble to try and get the Guinness World Record. Let's do this thing now, Fan. Are you ready to get your world record?
Yes, I'm very excited, and we are ready to go. And we have a Guinness World Record judge just to give us a sign.
They're in the audience, yes.
Yes, in the audience as well. Thank you. Okay, so we are ready to go, and can you just step a little bit back so we have more?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Okay, ready? A little bit back. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
I'm sorry. Hang on. Oh, boy. Sorry.
Dave's still on.
Sorry about that. Can you...
Dave's still on.
I'm sorry, Ed and Ann, we'll send it back to you, sorry.
Moj Davide, tebi će na nadgrobnom spomeniku pisati izvinite. To bi bilo to, ljudi, što se tiče ovog klipa. Nada se da vam se svideo, lupite like ukoliko jeste, a ukoliko ste prvi put na kanalu i ostali ste do samog kraja, definitivno razmislite o tome da se subscribe-ujete, pošto će ovakvog materijala biti još. To bi bilo to od mene, a mi se vidimo u nekom drugom klipu. Ćao!